Welcome to the IdeaHost review by our top 10 best website hosting staff. IdeaHost is a fresh and vibrant web host featuring free domain names, free email address, free website builder, and unlimited domains. Subscription plans start from just $2.99 a month. You also get 1 GB of cloud storage, $100 ad credits, and cPanel, making IdeaHost one of the best value for money options out there. IdeaHost supplies a free drag-and-drop site builder with thousands of templates, which leaves the user plenty of choices. Their core features consist of unlimited allowed domains, unlimited MySQL databases, scalable storage space, and bandwidth. All IdeaHost users are equipped with cPanel. Here you can manage many aspects of your account. This includes your files, email, domains, software, etc. For added flexibility, you can easily install your favorite CMS, including WordPress, Joomla, and Drupal, and choose from thousands of free and paid templates. IdeaHost offers many different methods of giving help: 24/7 phone, chat, and email support. Although IdeaHost is not a very large user community and is relatively new to the industry, their focus is simplicity. If you need a basic website made easy and affordable, IdeaHost is a good idea.